Hello everyone, Tina here. I hope you're having a lovely day. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today we are going to create a card using some items from Pretty Pink Posh, and I have a super fun announcement to share with you guys. If you guys are a fan of Pretty Pink Posh products, as much as I am, you're going to love this announcement because I'm officially part of the Pretty Pink Posh design team. So keep a lookout for some extra projects and some tutorials, and if you want to head over to the Pretty Pink Posh blog, Paulina is the owner, and she is actually having a giveaway to celebrate the news. So check it out. I'll list the Pretty Pink Posh blog down below, and we're going to jump in and create a card. It's a pretty simple card today. I'm using the Flower Bouquet stamp set. It's part of the recent release from Pretty Pink Posh. I picked the watering can that has a real pretty bouquet of flowers in here. I'm going to color in the bouquet and the watering can with my Copic markers, and I sped the coloring up quite a bit, but as I color I'll play a little bit of music, and then when I'm done coloring I will get you back. Okay, coloring is all done, and you can see I used a warm gray for the watering can and then some pretty pinks and reds for the flowers. There's some daisies in there that I just left the petals white. Next we're going to take the coordinating die and cut out our flower pail. We'll just line it up and tape it down, and we're going to die cut out also one of the stitched Duo 3 dies. This is a real pretty arched window frame. I'm going to layer both pieces together. The archway, the window pane piece you can remove, so if you want to create a backing for your archway, you have that option. I'm going to just do the window for now. I'll line it up here in the corner, tape this down, and run this through my die cutting machine, so we have a window and a flowering pot here. Now after we have everything die cut, I think that looks so fun. I wanted a backing for my window and something that kind of looked like wallpaper. So I went through my pattern paper. This is very pale teal and white stripes. I thought this would make the perfect wallpaper for my background. So we're going to die cut this out using the archway die without the window panes here. This archway has a perfect spot for my sentiment that says "You are special," so I added that. We're going to put it in our stamping positioner just because it stamps more evenly. I have a tendency to get heavy-handed with when I stamp my sentiments. One side's always thicker than the other. So love the stamp positioners. We stamped "You Are Special" with VersaFine Onyx Black ink. And I did add foam adhesive behind my frame, and we're going to pop it up and put it on our background arch here. Lovely, and I love the color. I think it looks really pretty behind our window. Kind of, like I said, reminds me of wallpaper. Next I have my card base, which is a standard A2 size card base, and I thought we would add a little bit of polka dots in our background. This is the mini polka dot stencil. I'm going to go ahead and line this up directly on my card base, and we're going to add some very neutral toned polka dots. I'm choosing pumice stone distress oxide ink, and I'm just going to use a blending brush to apply it. So I just wanted some very soft, subtle polka dots in the background. I think the pumice stone ink works really well with your warm gray Copic markers. So once I have the entire card front covered with polka dots, it doesn't look like I did it much, but you'll be able to see them once I remove the stencil. I think that's going to go perfect. I'll take my window pane here. We're going to flip it over and add adhesive behind it. And then I'm going to use some foam squares and pop up my watering can. And we'll put that in the bottom corner. Next, I am going to take my white gel pen and add a few little highlights to those rosy pink flowers. Just 3 dots in the center. And then I'm going to use some pretty pink Posh clear droplets. I have the 8mm and I believe it's the 4mm. It could be the 3mm. I'll list it down below. But I have the droplets, and we're going to just add a few above the flowering can and a few below it. But that's my project today, celebrating the brand new news. I hope you're as excited as I am. And again, head on over to Pretty Pink Posh. Again, I'll list the blog down below for a chance to win a gift certificate. Lots of fun products over there. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a fabulous day, guys. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.